In this lecture, I wanted to talk about why drawing is so important. Drawing is extremely important in all aspects of life, not just in art. And remember, drawing is all about fundamentals. So why is drawing so important? Well, first off, it's the building block of all art. Now, there are for sure artists out there that don't draw at all, but for the most part, the majority of all great art starts out with drawing. And if you don't know how to draw, everything else is just going to crumble around it. So all of your painting techniques and whatever techniques that you want to use are going to crumble to the ground because you don't have the fundamentals of drawing. Another big reason why drawing is so important is because studios will take you if you can draw. If you can paint, but you can't draw, then they're not going to take you. They need people that can draw. And I'm talking about any type of studio. An animation studio, a video game studio, all different types of studios. They want you to be able to draw more than anything. Let me share a story about this. So as many of you know, I got an internship with an animation studio when I was only 17. And I had no idea how to use Photoshop, which was the primary program that they used to do basically everything in the studio. Now, how did I get an internship with them if I had no idea how to use Photoshop? It was because I knew how to draw. I walked into the studio with my sketchbook and it only had drawings in it. I didn't know how to use Photoshop. I didn't know anything else except for drawing. And so they gave me an internship because they knew they could teach me the techniques that are on top of drawing. But remember, drawing is the fundamental. Another reason why drawing is important is because drawing skills can help you get jobs, not just with studios, but in a lot of different places. If you can be that guy in the meeting that can sketch out what they're talking about or can sketch out the product, you're going to be a lot more valuable to a company. Which brings me to my last point, which is drawing is the easiest way to convey an idea. You can talk about an idea, you can explain it all you want, but at the end of the day, the best way to show an idea is to draw it. So I just wanted to quickly go over these reasons with you so that you had a better understanding of why drawing is so important in society. And I also wanted you to understand that you are gaining a very valuable skill that can be used in many, many, many different industries. Thanks for watching this lecture, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.